Welcome to Tecnia TV. I, Dr. Vandana Raghav, working as a professor in the Department of Management Sciences in Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on International Finance Corporation. The IFC was established in July 1956. There are 184 countries that are members of the IFC, and it is legally and financially separated from the IBRD. Although IBRD provides some administrative and other services to the IFC, the IFC's main responsibilities are to provide risk capital in the form of equity and long-term loans from productive private enterprises in association with private investors and management, to encourage the development of local capital markets by carrying out standby and underwriting agreements, and to stimulate the international flow of capital by providing financial and technical assistance to privately controlled finance companies. Loans are made to private firms in the developing member countries and are usually for a period of 7 to 12 years. The key feature of the IFC is that its loans are made to private enterprises and its investments are made in conjunction with private business. In addition to funds contributed by IFC, funds are also contributed to some projects by local and foreign investors. IFC investments are for the establishment enterprises as well as for the expansion and modernization of existing ones. They cover a wide range of projects such as steel, textile production, mining, manufacturing, machinery production, food processing, tourism, and local development financial companies. Some projects are locally owned, whereas others are joint ventures between investors in developing and developed countries. In a few cases, joint ventures are formed between investors of two or more developing countries. The IFC has also been instrumental in helping to develop emerging capital markets. Only member countries of the World Bank can become members of IFC. The powers of the IFC are vested in the Board of Governors, which normally meets once a year. The 24 executive directors of the World Bank constitute the Board of Directors of the IFC. The President of the World Bank is the ex-office chairman of the Board of Directors of the IFC. The day-to-day operations are concluded under the directions of the Vice President. Now we will discuss about the functions of IFC. The IFC performs the following functions, like invest in private enterprises in member countries in association with private investors and without government guarantee in case where sufficient private capital is not available on reasonable terms. It seeks to bring together investment opportunities, private capital of both foreign and domestic origin and experienced management, and the third function is to stipulate conditions to the flow of private capital, domestic and foreign, into productive investments in member countries. Now we will discuss about the resources of IFC. The resources of the IFC consist of capital contributed by the member countries and accumulated reserves. It can also borrow from the World Bank for the purpose of lending and amount equal to 4 times its unimpaired subscribed capital and surplus. Assistance to the member countries. The IFC provides financial assistance to large, medium and small scale private sector enterprises in the member countries. Assistance is given in several forms. Direct investment. The IFC invests equity capital among with private investors in private sector companies in developing countries. It normally invests not more than 35% of the total equity capital of the company. Its equity investment is based on the project's needs. It does not take an active part in company management. It can also provide their assistance in the form of loans. IFC provides loans in foreign and local currencies. It acts as underwriter and sponsor of investment to bring investors and industry closer. Loans are given for both greenfield project and expansion. Quasi equity financing. The IFC offers full range of financial products with both equity and debt features. It also provides convertible debt and subordinate loan investment. It offers preferred stock and income note investment. The next is syndication and resource mobilization. In order to mobilize resources for the private sector, syndication and scrutinizing facilities are offered. The syndication program allows participants to enjoy the preferred credit status of IFC. Risk management products. The IFC offers risk management products for hedging purposes. In this way, IFC enables companies to enhance their credit worthiness and improve their profitability. In offering the risk management products, the IFC acts as an intermediary. Its role is to bridge the credit gap between the market and its clients in the emerging economies. Capital markets development. The IFC provides financial support and advice for the development of financial institutions. It offers legal and institutional framework to encourage investment of foreign and local capital in developing countries. It also helps in the development of finance companies, lending and venture capital, mutual funds, merchant bankers, etc. Credit guarantees. The IFC offers guaranteed to meet the need of both borrowers and creditors. These are structured to reduce the profitability of default and increase the recovery in case of default. Partial guarantees can be in local currency or foreign currency. Portfolio investment. The IFC also promotes foreign portfolio investment by establishing and investing in private equity and debt funds. The IFC has introduced many international portfolio investors to emerging markets. Both large and small companies in these markets gain access to long-term finance through the mobilization efforts to the IFC. Technical assistance. IFC offers technical assistance and business advisory services to private sectors in developing economies. It conducts project studies and financial studies. It also assists companies in policy making. This is all about IFC, International Financial Corporation. For watching more videos, like and subscribe Tecnia TV. Thank you.